What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing good. Let's get into it, okay? Here we go, guys. So, it is Tuesday. We got the NQ right over here. Let's jump right into news and see if we got anything going on news. So, for today, it looks like we have Fed speech. What's that? 7 o'clock. And then we have 7:05, 7:10. So we have a couple news events coming up today at 7, 7:10, 7:30, 8, 8:30, 10 o'clock. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So guess what? All-time highs again. So what I'm looking for at this all-time highs is going to be pretty quick. I am probably not going to be honest. I don't even want to. I actually want to short this, but I have no levels up here. So because we're all-time highs again. So to be honest, as long as we're holding above yesterday's London high of 25,239. I'm not looking for shorts. So anything above this level here, I'm gonna be looking for longs. Anything above, pretty much anything above previous day long, I'll be looking for longs. Anything below previous day high, I'll be looking for shorts. That's kind of my game plan going into it today on MNQ is above this, I'm looking for longs. Below this, I'm looking for quick shorts, and I'm looking for quick covers. So I'd be covering into 25 182, 25 169. I wouldn't be looking into a bleed off into London low. I just don't think we're gonna reach it. But of course, those would be my secondary targets. Would be 25 125 and 25 127. So that'd be the game plan for MNQ. And then for my boys trading the Russell actually looks better. That was yesterday's plan that it was going to pop up, which it did. I would same idea today as long as it holds previous day low 24.91. I'd be looking for a continuation and actually a target of previous day high. So this would be my stop level, would be down here. Anything below previous day low, I'd be looking short, and I would be looking to target 24.79. So be looking to target 24.79 on that. And if for the short side, for the upside, I'd be looking at anything above previous day high 25.18 on the Russell. On the YM, all right. On the YM, I would be doing anything literally below previous. Actually, no. I would actually shoot for anything below Asia low and London low because we're holding this base. Overall, we're still in the upper. We're doing higher lows. See, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher low. See, so anything below these lower lows, I'd be going for a short. So anything below this Asia low, London low, I would be shorting, looking for a possible target of 46.69.9, which would be the previous day low. But I would just continue this long. I would continue that long. Anything above 46.906 on the Dow would be my stop as my long. So I would go enter long off the open for a dip buy, and then this would be my cutoff 46.49. Anything under this, I would look for short possible previous day low as a possible short target. So that'd be the game plan for the Dow. And for the MES, this was yesterday's game plan. Pretty simple. So we did get the dip and then we got the rip. So same. On the ES, I would be looking for a hold of anything above 67.83. I'm going possible long. Anything below pretty much 67.69, I'm looking to fill this gap. Between 67.68 and 67.38, I'm looking to fill that gap for sure. I just don't think we're going to get that today. We have high momentum. I think we're going to continue up, and I would just go with the flow. I would go with the trend overall until I'm told not to. And Bitcoin is pretty simple. I was right on. We held. See, as long as we held above 124, we ripped up yesterday. I was right on that. And the same thesis is today. As long as we hold 124, 265 on Bitcoin, I am bullish on it. Looking for long trades. If we break under 124, 295, I'm looking for nothing but short trades. And next one, yeah. So I'm just knocking them out for you guys this morning. I'm gonna start doing that. I'm going a little quicker for you guys, so you guys can get a game plan and just boom, 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 be ready for it. Okay. By the way, welcome to the live show, live pre-market show. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment if you want me to do anything else or break anything else down for you guys. I'm also going to break down Tesla and Nvidia. I also trade them. I won't break down any small caps just because those take a little more due diligence. But these bad boys, everybody trades these. So a little short I had off yesterday's business, and then pretty much today's business on Tesla is anything above 453. I'm looking long. Anything below, if we break down again and cannot hold previous open of 630 yesterday, anything below 439, I'm looking for a quick short, and I'm looking for possible targets. Possible targets are 433, and the other possible target is going to be 428 and 423. So these are possible short targets if we decide to bleed off. If we don't, then I would go the other way, which is anything above this. I'm looking for longish trades. So let me anything above this, I'm going this way. I'm going long. Anything above that. Okay, pretty simple. 452 is the line in the sand, and then anything below yesterday's open of 440 is the line in the sand to go short for me. Now Nvidia, pretty simple game plan on this one. Did not trade it yesterday. Again, we're in this range here. Anything above 187, I'm going long. Anything below yesterday's open, I'm going short, and I'm possibly targeting 183 and 181 as well. So these are possible targets for the short side. For the short side, anything below this, going short, covering 184, 183 are possible targets. Anything, if we do a breakout, anything above 187, I am looking for targets into previous day high. For sure, these would be my targets going up into previous day high if we decide to go longish. Anything above that, we'd be going here. Okay, so that is the game plan for today, guys. Told you guys there's news. Again, let's recap on the news. News in about 44 minutes. We have news at 7 o'clock, news at 7:05, news at 7:10, 7:30, and 8. So we have a pumped up pretty news day at 8:30. So if you're trading this morning, keep it light on the futures, keep it tight. These also affect sometimes stocks, so just be aware of that, okay? Hope you guys like the live pre-market show. Make sure you guys subscribe, like. If you want anything else for me to drop down for you guys, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Have a good one. Make sure you control one thing, which is only you can control, which is your risk. Use those stops, guys.